by the Shenzhen Ignition Electronic Company.
Can it compatible with the NMC battery I started using?
Yes, this BMS board has different materials like NMC and lithium.
That's great. It looks great. Can you provide me the more detail of this specification?
Yes, let me make a brief introduction of this BMS board. This BMS board we can custom design